6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89,
All of the countries in the duo, we finished and completed the underhand, we finished, completed the standing block, Now it's getting into the top of the tree. As you get very close, keep your eye on tree number 4 with the USA Singlet. Again, not far behind Charlie Coaster, that is number 1 tree with the Victoria Singlet. Now as we go up into the top, you'll see the boys make a little bit of a difference as they hit hard and hit fast. We've got 22 up there, number 5, Motivated Veterans. Take a look at number 2. Lindsay is also there, number 2, Lindsay Hubbard in his start. Lindsay Hubbard at number 2, closing the gap on number 1, but also keep right here as the way. That will be there, I think we're doing it all of this time. Then it will be number 6, this is a great experience for these fellas. Now we'll get some drive into the top of the tree. Come on, we'll produce the winner. Are you making the noise? Because no one's to ride and tell you how they're going to travel to get the top out of the tree. You're going to be number 1, so number 2, will be number 4. Yes, we have, we go. Number 2 is the active 4. Let's congratulate them. Is it going to be 1? Is it going to be number 5 down there with the veteran? Keep your eye on number 1. Keep your eye also on number 3. Down there on number 6. We'll walk them home. Keep your eye on 1. Keep your eye on number 5. This is starts to move. Give them a little help. Steps together. Cheer them on as we bring it in. A little style. They can hear you. We've all had another one for you. In the back of the 38 is the mark. Then we come down to tree number 3. We're trying to get the top out of that.